is good. So ask the person next to you what's going to happen. Oh, a Cadillac! Woo! Oh, man. I think it's purple. Oh, ho, ho. Where's the Ford fans? We got a Mustang in the house. All right. Oh, my gosh. Grandpa, somebody stole your car. All right. Oh, no. A dually? All right. All right, I know what my money's not on. Oh, my goodness. FedEx truck? Maybe he's just making a delivery. We better stop and see. Oh, no. Wait a minute. This guy doesn't even have lights. How can that be? Jimmy. All right, let's go. Who's ready to go? All right, send our first pair. Let's send them on their way. Oh, wait, we have a late entry. All the way from Tennessee. Wait, it used to be orange. What happened? That's number 02, Marty, not 01 now. All right. Oh, we can leave those cars on the track. Let's bring our first pair up. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? We got to spend a minute on this one, because on the inside, in number 27D, and a Porsche 911, Joe Gurdon. And on the outside, number 9, from Lake in the Hills, Illinois, a 1928 Cadillac. All right, as soon as we get him. Wait a minute. What kind of car is that on the outside? Not just a Cadillac, it's a... That's right. Are we ready? Gentlemen, oh, what's one mean? There's one lap. Thumbs up. We got the ones up. Gentlemen, watch the starter! Oh, Porsche on the inside. Oh, wait. That's not fair. Oh, I don't know. The Cadillac's pushing. The Cadillac's now putting the pedal to the metal. He's going high. A Porsche low. And... oh. How many people felt... oh. Who wanted to see that German car win? Yeah. Whoa! 88 on the inside. It is, ladies and gentlemen, one of the 6 remaining on the road PT Cruisers. And outside at number 91, all the way from Rockford, in what may be the ugliest car you've ever seen, a Mercury Capri. All right, gentlemen, wait a minute. They both have their I-passes in the window ready to go. You right? These definitely are tollway cars. And watch the starter. Oh, that was an impressive start. There was tire squeal, but they're wheel to wheel. PT. Oh, come on, PT. PT. It's close. It's gonna be close. It's gonna be close. Ow. Mr. Ugly wins by a fender. Okay. Here we go. How do you think Mom feels on the inside? He couldn't even get Mom on one window. He had to use two windows. Hi, Mom and Dad. So the story is, folks, that the driver on the inside is now 15 years old. He has his driver's permit. And he borrowed Mom's car to go to the races. So he's just saying, hi, Mom and Dad, because this is going to be on video and it's going to be on the news and he's going to have to explain it. He was just trying to be nice. And on the outside, it's a 5.0 Mustang. All right, number 7 on the outside. And what's the starter? Jeff Kern in the Mustang. Heidi I in the Toyota. I think Mom and Dad are safe. Can Heidi get it through 1 and 2 and 3 and 4? And oh, woo! Hey, okay. Hey, let's send Heidi on their way back home safely. The real bad news is, folks, they ran out of shoe polish, so that's permanent white paint on the windows. It's a Malibu on the inside. And straight out of 22nd Avenue in Schaumburg, Illinois, his dad, wait, it's not his grandpa's car, it is Grandpa in the 47, Dominic Smetters from Round Lake Beach on the inside in number 25. I don't know, it's a white Malibu, and watch the starter. Go, Grandpa, go! Go, Grandpa, go! Oh, this isn't even close. Oh, easy, Grandpa. Easy, easy. Okay, you won. Slow down. Oh, man. God, I hope those cataracts are okay.
We just found some keys. So if anybody wants
Okay.
to back.
All right. GMC Sierra against a what is that? A Chevrolet Silverado. Oh, all right. Red against silver. It's the pickup truck Mania. All right. And what's the starter? Oh, whoa, go! That's a Winnebago County Sheriff driving the red pickup truck. Oh, the flags have messed up the wind. He's out of the draft. Oh, they went down in the dirt. No, you guys, you don't need to go through the infield. Number 12, your winner. I don't even have a number 12. Oh, Jacob Beard, all the way from Loves Park. All right. 46X on the inside. It's a 95 T-Bird on the outside, number 16. Zach Phillips and a Sierra Dually 3500. How many thinks this is a... Watch the starter! He's a coal burner! Come on, burn some coal, brother! Oh, wait, you do have to turn. You do have to turn. Here comes a... Oh. Oh, man. They were going fast. Really? A Corvette on the inside, number 77. He's all the way from Janesville. It's Randy Wagner on the outside, number 17. My name is my own business, it says. I work for FedEx, so don't ask. All right. There's a Corvette on the inside and an old beat-up FedEx van on the outside. What are you going? How many want to see the FedEx van? How many want to see the Corvette? And watch the starter. All those packages in the back are starting to roll around. I have no idea what's going to happen when that FedEx van gets to the turn, but here comes the Corvette. All right. Let's give him a nice round of applause. All right, 2 Corvettes tonight. This is awesome. .920 Dustin Cochran and a 1907 Yukon Denali. Outside him, number 1 in a 1992 Corvette. It's Ben Shadedale. And he's got the top down. Oh, van, you can leave. Oh, let's hope the wipers work. And what's the starter? Remember, folks, whatever happens with these sprinkles, we're going to keep going until it rains too hard. If we do that, we'll just take a break, but we'll come back. We're going to get it all in tonight, no matter what time. Oh, this is all Corvette. All Corvette. Woo! Show off. Those guys always show off over on North 2nd Street, too. I have Ghostbusters! Okay. This is what happens when Joe Biden gets a hold of Ghostbusters. I have no idea what these are. We're going to watch them race. Let's see. And are they shifting? Are they going? Are they trying to mate? Oh, Ghostbusters kicks in the flux capacitor. No, that's that other movie. Oh, yeah. Slimy, it's going to get slimy. Oh, hey, let's give that pink car a good round of applause. Put a lot of work into that. All right, you muscle car maniacs. Here we go. On the outside, number 23, Honky Tonk out of Harvard in an 89 Corvette. On the inside, 01, Mark Chavera. Is that a Camaro? All right. Oh, wait, he's got a message. What? That's not your name. No, it's not your name. Okay. Well, when you win, then we'll come back and we'll talk more, okay? In fact, text me. Oh, get ready. Oh, hey, don't move in ahead. And watch the starter. Camaro out in front, Corvette putting the chase on. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, my goodness. I don't want to be the one to say it out loud, but the guy in the Corvette, okay. Well, we know who cleaned out their yard this week. On the inside, it's Mad Max in a 1918 Camaro, spelled C-A-M-E-R-O. He needs to go on and look at how to spell Camaro. On the outside, number 229. And we're ready to go. Watch the starter. I'm suspicious. I think there was a little rub in his racing. Camaro goes high. Oh, Camaro almost spins out. All right. Well, that car's going back to the yard. It'll be sitting next to the garage. Oh, yeah. This is Mark Chavera in the 01 General Ralph Lee on the inside with a snow tire on the right front, number 37, Ted Ray, and a Cadillac DeVille. And what's the starter? Oh man, is that Cadillac in the lead? The Cadillac. Jimmy John's, always delivering. Uh-oh, smoky burnout. How about it? He's been wanting to do that since he did it in the parking lot at Woodstock High 10 years ago. All right, we got Ugly on the outside, Porsche on the inside. This could be a battle. Germany against Ugly. And they're lining them up. The General Robert E. Lee is headed to the pit area. Mark Chavera. And what's this? All right. The Porsche is a show-off. Okay, when he comes by, if you like him, cheer for him. If you don't, boo him. Let's hear what happens here. Here comes the Porsche. Wait, does anybody like him? All right. I know, you got a Porsche, you're out here showing off. You're probably going to go back, tell your girlfriend, have a glass of wine, you know, all that stuff. All right, Mustang against Grandpa. On the inside, number 7, Jeff Kern in the 1923 Mustang. Outside of him, it's Grandpa Dominic Smelters from Round Lake. Grandpa is wound up tonight. You know what he did today? He took 3 of those blue pills, yes. And watch the starter. Oh, go, Grandpa, go! Go, Grandpa, go! Go, Grandpa, go! Oh, Grandpa's going high. Mustang got a little loose. Grandpa! Oh my gosh. Who saw that coming? All right, you truck nuts, here you go. Oh, he just pulled a weasel on him there. Squeezed to the outside. On the inside, number 12, the Sierra, Jacob Beard. On the inside, number 16, Old Smoky, Zach Phillips from Roscoe. And watch the starter. Oh man, we are burning some coal tonight. Oh, look out. He almost spun out. You do have to turn those trucks. Oh, you know what? Oh my goodness. I think the track's getting a little slick from these raindrops. What could that mean if you were in a Corvette? And there's two of them coming up. All right, we got blue on the inside, red on the outside. Pick your favorite here. Pick your favorite. How many want to see the blue? Oh, that was sick. How many want to see the blue? Who wants to see the red one? Who doesn't care? Oh, watch the starter. Ooh. Hey! You guys called it. It's looking like it's going to be all red. Oh, this is going to be an odd one here. This isn't even like, what is this? 01. Wait, this is a guy we don't know his name. Oh, because he ran his wipers. And this is number 3, Brandon Schreiber, in a 98 Oldsmobile from Beecher, Illinois, in the Joe Biden Ghostmobile. Oh, get ready and watch the starter. Okay, we're getting down to the fast guys now. Come on, put on the flux capacitor. Put the shooter thing that they shot the Ghost with. Hey, let's give them a nice round of applause for creativity. You'd love to have that car sitting in your neighbor's driveway, I'm sure. Easy, 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 easy. Don't wear it out. Grandpa on the inside. Outside, it was a Corvette at one time in its life. Now it's just an SB. All right, and watch the starter. Grandpa, Grandpa, Grandpa. Oh, Grandpa got sideways. The Corvette SB on the outside. It's gonna be, Grandpa. That's not a Corvette, that's a Firebird. Oh, yeah, yeah. Talk about muscle against, wait, slow down, take it easy. Relax. Don't use 3 gallons of diesel sitting here. On the inside in the Porsche, it's number 270. I forget whatever his name is. It's a Porsche. On the outside, we've got the heavy-duty 3500 coal burner. How many want to see the Porsche? How many want to see the coal burner? And watch the starter. Oh, yeah. Oh, easy peasy. Remember, the track's getting slick. Marty, the track is slick. It's slick. Oh, yeah. On what? 50-50 is $2,700. Okay. When do we stop selling tickets? Soon? Oh, yeah, baby. It's a Chevrolet against a Chevrolet. It's black against the red. It's the inside against the outside. You pick your favorite. And we're going to come down on the inside. Let's just go. And watch the starter. Corvette! Corvette! Wait, it's not over. It's not over. Yes, it is. It's over. Folks, I just have to tell you, the guy in the red car, there's a can of Bud Light in his console. Yeah, I know. A Bud Light drinker. Hold on, Grandpa. Easy. Jeopardy will be on in a few minutes. Man, it's close to Grandpa's bedtime, isn't it? He may want to lose to the Porsche. All right, slow down. Take it easy. Keep them calm. Back to, we got to do a survey here. Who wants to see the Porsche win? Wait, if you don't want him to win, then boo. Who wants to see Grandpa win? And watch the starter. Come on, Grandpa. Go, Grandpa, go. Oh. The track's getting slick. Grandpa can't hold on to it anymore. Oh, look out. Oh, man. Woo. Okay, we're not going to do 2 out of 3. This is for all the marbles tonight. We got a little rain coming. The track's getting slick. If you drive a Chevrolet Silverado pickup truck and you lost your key, it's right here. All right, send them out. We're not doing 2 out of 3. How long have you been drinking Bud Light?
Never once in my life.
That's what I thought. They all say that. Okay, you know this is for it. No 2 out of 3. Whose car is this? What? Okay. He's out on a test drive tonight, folks. He took it on the weekend. He gave $20 down to hold it. On the inside, this is for it. This is for all this racing, for the big prize tonight, the huge prize tonight. That is a 6-inch trophy. On the inside, it's the Porsche. If you don't like it, boo it. It's on the Porsche. On the outside, the red Corvette. And watch the starter. Oh. Wait. Back up a little more. Little more. Keep going. Keep going. Okay, that's good. Now come forward. Too far. Back up a little more. Okay, that's good. Watch the starter. Pick your favorite. They're off. Oh, I don't think he's going to let it go easy. Remember, the track is slick. Here comes the Corvette. Oh. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it from Joe Girdham from Greenwood, Indiana, the winner of tonight's spectacular drags. Now remember, Eric, we're going to keep going unless it gets really... Oh, what happened? What's going on over there? Come on, Corvette, burn it to the ground. Burn those tires off. That's what I thought. You know what? I think his muffler broke. The muffler doesn't muffle anymore. The battery doesn't bat anymore. The wipers don't wipe anymore. And the piston, it doesn't work anymore. Thank you all so much. Eric, take it away.
Thank you, Tom Deary, ladies and gentlemen. Get it through Spec Drags the way it ought to be. As my dearest friend Tomas said, we're going to carry on through the rain here. By the way, we've got 2 feature races left. We've got our Super Stocks. We've got our Sixers. They're coming up next. And in the drivers' meeting, there was a total of 45 drivers.